obviously, I'm Aaron Davis. I own Firefly Solar, right? My opinions on what makes a good solar company are based on their opinions, but they're based on my experiences. What I have done, and so I'm putting aside bias here. Obviously, I think I have the best company, right? Of course, I'm going to say that. But to quantify that and to qualify that, my experiences over the years of working in this industry have formulated opinions about what makes a good company, what makes a bad company. And so I have endeavored every step of the way to make my company the best. I don't say I'm the best just because, why would I not say that? I don't say it because I just think we're the best because we're the bee's knees. I say it because I've strategically made decisions along the way to make us the best based on the opinions I have about what makes it the best and what makes it not the best, what makes it good, what makes it bad. I strategically made the decision to never use subcontractors, for example. I worked for companies in the past before having my own company that use subcontractors. Now, subcontractors aren't always bad, but the problem is when they are bad, you have very little control over fixing the problem. And that was the issue. Like, I sold plenty of systems as a salesperson with other solar companies that were installed by subcontractors. Most of the time it would be fine. Things would go just fine. But when it didn't go fine, I had no control over it. And the companies I worked for had no control over it because it was a subcontractor. You're at their whim, at their mercy. So I made the decision when I started this that, like, I think subcontractors, even though a lot of the time they're going to be okay, the risk wasn't worth it to me to say, but the times they're not going to be okay, I won't have any control. I wasn't going to take that risk. I wanted to have control of the customer's experience from the beginning to the end. So I chose to never use subcontractors. I chose to use a third-party insurance company to warranty the systems because, what if we're not in business, or what if things go wrong? I want to have that third-party validation that's going to warranty your customer's system for a full 30 years. And it's not in my contract because I can't guarantee I'll be around in 30 years from now or whatever else. I don't want to have a problem where a customer says 10 years from now, hey, I've got this problem and it's like, it's your fault. And I'm like, well, it's not really my fault. I'm going to let an insurance company deal with that. So I've made these decisions to be the best, and I've put all the things in place and checked all the boxes to make us the best. And so, it's not a bias, it's not an accident. I've made the decision to be that way and to do the things that need to happen to put us in that position.